Hard work, boy.
What?
Woo.
Let the band play.
Look at that, guys. What's going on, guys? It's Airplay Typical Outdoors. I'm out here with the big homie Latrell, Banks and Eddie's. And guys, so far it's been pretty epic. We have caught him on top water. And guys, Trail caught a 17-inch shoalie. So far he's in the lead, but I'm trying to come back and make it happen. Just wanted to break things down for you. Let you guys know what's going on. We'll catch you down the river. Prime spot right here for fish to be at. Oh, he missed it. Dang. Got it. It's a better shoalie. Oh, two fighting for it at once. Yes, sir. What an epic eat, guys. I saw this fish blow up, miss it, threw it back in there, and blew it up and ate it again, guys. Two fish going for the same bait at once. They're hungry. Over here, guys, we have current. Then that wood blocks off a little seam. That's what you want to look for when you're fishing moving water. Let's go, guys. Some depth in this little hole over here with the back eddy. Yeah. Got him. Oh, good handshakes. Yeah. Dang. Mean fish. All right, guys, we got a spolie right there. Got him on the crawl. Had a deep hole with a back eddy, right where he was supposed to be at. It has been a grind, guys. We're getting the workout. It's super low and super clear. The fish are active, guys, but literally we have been having to pull these kayaks a ton just to get through some of these shows. That is rocking. Oh no, he go crazy.
We be counting that money like all day, running to the money like a power player. Yo. Hit it off of my team, I go off of my team. Gang. I was counting that cream, young Billy OG. I've been running them streets since the age of 13. Skipping school, thugging in the hallway. Yeah, I really had to get this shit the hard way. Remember we was down bad, now we all pay. Used to hit licks to put some in our stomach. Little Munchie need bad money, mama need big money. I already know how I'm coming.
Lip 'em, dude, if you got to. That's my 5, bro. Woo! That's a giant one.
Woo! We came, we conquered. This is what we were looking for. 20-inch shoal bass. Came in with a 21-inch shoal bass. Man, this fish is a post-spawn. It's a huge fish. Old, beautiful. We got to get her back in the water so she can live to see another day. But hey, y'all get on these rivers, learn something. If you need to learn something, holler at Tip or me, and we'll get you right.
Now it's time to hydrate. Damn! Got him! That's a big one. Oh, damn. He's digging. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
That's another like close to 20.
Yeah.
19 maybe. Oh. 19. Look at that, guys. 18.5 inches. We've been grinding. This fish came back and hit it twice. I pulled back and I was like, no! This fish came back and hit it again, guys. 18.5-inch shoalie. What an epic fish. 12, excuse me, y'all, I'm a height. Trail got a 21. It has been crazy, guys. We're gonna release this fish and get down this float. We got about 4 more miles left to go. Out this way, big fella. Oh. Got him. It's the spot. Got him. Trey, hit this tree, man. I had like 2 or 3 blow-ups on this tree. Yeah. He hit it, missed it, hit it, miss it, hit it, miss it, and then got it. Little spot. Crazy yellow one.
Guys, man, we on the second half of our float. We're probably like a quarter to like half done with the float. It has been epic. I don't even know if I want to release this video because it's so good. But we've been catching these big guys the whole time. Nothing less. Like, this fish is so fat that it's losing the scales on the side of its body right here because it's so big. They're eating so good in here. We're gonna keep fishing. Y'all keep watching.
Dang, that's a hard. Ah! Got off, man. One of us gonna catch one. Here. You got one? I figure. I bet it's a big old, whoa, good Lord. Get it, Trill? Oh my God. No. What is it? Oh my. Dang. Boy. Oh, don't get hooked. By the hooks too. Got him. Double up. Big one. Oh my God. Dang. Lost him.
Bro. I don't caught so many fish, bro. My fingers are raw.
A good problem to have. All right, guys. Trey with another wild catch. We're almost doubled up. And he found another 18.5 incher, guys. That's 2 8.5 inches and a 21. Ridiculous float, guys. Oh, got him. Dude, what a mean fish. Dang, I keep losing. I don't think so. It's an old whopper plopper, man. But it's the braid. I think I'm gonna have to give him, I'm gonna have to give it some more slide. It's too much mud. Oh, God. Yo. Shoaly. They're stacked up right behind that log. It's a spoly or a shoaly?
I don't know. If you got a solid line going through the body?
Let me touch his tongue. That's a shoaly. Whoa, that little dude is mean. Spot. You had one? Guess I think we got the first Ultima Hawk bass of the day. Has a crescent back here. Solid little fish. Pretty heavy too. Oh, shit. Waist deep.
That big ass spider.
Trail. Go. All the fish on weight.
I'll turn it and I'll hold it so you can just hop on it.
The paddle. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the first part of this video. It was such an epic day. I mean, brutally hot, guys, but the top water bite was insane. And Charles caught that 21.5-inch shoalie, which is insane for shoal bass fishing. A 20 is a big fish. To catch a 21 and some change is ridiculous. Now guys, if you're interested into getting into river fishing, I just dropped the ebook. It's going to be on my website, atypicaloutdoors.net. It explains how to fish the river safely and properly. So let's get into this next portion of this video. We're actually joined with the homie, North Georgia Fisherman. And guys, the fishing is epic again. Let's hop into that video. It's a solid one to start with. Got him. Oh shoot. Dang. Yeah. Fish took me into this. Right over there? Damn. Alright guys, first fish of the day. Got a little spot. Not supposed to be in here, but I'll take it. First fish of the day. Got him. Another one. That's a little shoal. Same spot. All right, guys, first shoalie of the day. We'll take it. Let's go. Doesn't get much better than top water. Hard work, boy. It is, it is.
I will count that cream, young Billy OG. I've been running.
Oh God. Yeah. Shoalie. Yeah. Man, he hit ferociously. Well, he's a small guy. Lots of heart. All right, guys, second shoalie of the day with a super mean blow up, but small fish. Hopefully you'll find those bigger ones shortly. Oh. That's a decent one. There's another spot? No, that's not a spot. That's a shoalie. Let's go. I'm gonna give him a good 14.5. Another little shoalie, guys. I will take it. The black trickworm is getting them. Oh shoot! Ooh! Oh, two fish fighting for it, man.
Hold on, let me throw mine in there with it.
Oh, that's a 3-pound spot.
You got one for real?
Yeah, on this.
Oh, I'm on. Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go, guys.
2 big spots are going for this thing. Nah, ain't no 3-pounder, but it's like a 2.5. On the swim bait too.
That's a real big spot. There we go.
That boy got a Hemi in it. All right, guys, got this one on the swim bait. The Omogi lures, crushed it. Let's go. Let's see if we can catch another one. Oh, got him. Big spot. That's a big spot. Not trail big, but it's big enough.
Oh yeah. On the shot again?
Nah, that's Whopper Popper. Yeah. Boy, these spots are mean. This is like a 2, maybe 2.5. Trying to be like Trill. Lou, look how gold it is. Hey!
No, get the fish, don't get me.
You got it. Let me get the net. Let's go!
Oh my God, bro. What the hell?
Look at,
Bro, that was amazing.
it's super cool,
I
man.
was like, that's not happening. That's not happening.
Yeah.
He said, pop.
Success.
My first big swim bait fish ever.
And it's a shoaly.
talk, bro.
And it's a shoaly.
And that's a good size swim bait, man.
It is. That's a real swim bait.
Yeah, that's a real
That's
swim
what
bait.
I'm saying. This
Yeah. Got him. Ooh. In the shade. Yeah. Nah. Plopper. Shade. It's a largie. Spot, largie, and shoaly. Got them all. Little largie. I swing a little bit. Jeez. The chunky one. Woo! That's a good one. That's a grown one.
On the Chad?
On the Chad side too. That's a house. It's a house. What's going on, guys? If you made it this far, you are a true river rat. This is probably one of the longest videos I've put out, guys, but I didn't want to chop this up and make it into 2 different videos. I wanted to give you guys both of these videos raw and uncut with the craziness, guys. Super epic. Some of the best fishing that we had in a long time. Well, if you like this solid video, be sure, guys, to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on a video soon.